that was certainly a sporty night of sailing. I took one bite.
Joel and I reduced the sail twice during my shift, and we're still doing about 6 knots.
As it got dark, we weren't able to hold our 160 heading or even 170 because I took a couple big waves over the bow and into the cockpit and just flooded the cockpit.
Stay!
Hey! Stay, Lola.
Get down there!
Getting hammered. Just can't get east enough. Birds are able to tack into the wind better. Maybe they go just...
No, you cannot go east. You can go anywhere else, not east. But we want to go east. Good luck.
Oh my gosh, they're right at the bow. That's so cool. Woo!
Okay. We didn't make it to Grenada. We drifted to Colombia, boys. All in. And the ocean was like, calm. Did we catch a queen on the river? Come on, baby! Queen on the river! Queen on the river!